Morty, what are taxes and why do you have to pay them?
Money the government takes from you? Like, 'cause you live here?
Yeah, pretty much. Taxes are the mandatory cash a government collects to pay for shared stuff: roads, schools, firefighters, courts, infrastructure. Boring, necessary civilization junk. It's basically the subscription fee for living in a country, except you can't unsubscribe without moving planets.
Okay, but Rick, why is it so complicated? Why can't it just be one simple fee?
Because humans use taxes to do two things at once: raise money and manipulate behavior. They don't just fund services, Morty. They try to nudge the economy. That's why you get different types: income tax, payroll tax, sales tax, property tax. Different levers for different goals.
So income tax is just a tax on what you earn?
Correct. And here's the question you should actually be asking. How do they decide how much you owe? Answer: they usually use tax brackets. That doesn't mean all your money gets taxed at the highest rate, only the portion that falls into each bracket. People screw that up constantly because rage is easier than math.
Wait, so what's payroll tax then? Is that different from income tax?
It's the extra bite taken specifically because you have wages. It often funds programs like Social Security and Medicare. It's withheld from your paycheck automatically, and employers usually pay a portion too because politicians love hiding the full price tag behind two payers.
And sales tax is when you buy stuff, right? Like at the store?
Yep, that's a consumption tax. You spend, you pay. It's easy to collect, but it can hit poorer people harder since they spend most of what they earn just to survive. Every simple tax comes with a not-so-simple consequence.
But if taxes get taken out of your paycheck, why do you still have to file?
Because withholding is an estimate, Morty. Filing is the annual reconciliation. Did they take too much, too little? Did you have other income? Do you qualify for deductions or credits? It's also a compliance ritual like confession, but with receipts and penalties.
Deductions and credits, are those like loopholes?
Sometimes a deduction lowers the income they tax. A credit lowers the actual tax you owe. And yeah, there are also incentives. Governments use the tax code to reward certain choices: having kids, buying a house, going to school, investing, starting a business. It's social engineering with paperwork.
Rick, that's kind of messed up. So are taxes just bad?
Taxes aren't automatically evil, Morty. They're a tool. The real issue is what they fund, who benefits, and whether the burden is shared in a way that doesn't crush the people at the bottom while the top buys accountants like Pokemon.
So, what's the big takeaway?
The big takeaway is this: taxes are the price of maintaining a society, and the whole system is a constant fight over who pays, how much, and for what. So here's your closing question, Morty. If you're paying into the machine, what kind of society do you actually want that machine to build?